after trying dozens of AI video creation applications. Today, I bring you what is undoubtedly the best KLING for me. And if you're looking for a way to create stunning videos in a matter of minutes, get ready because this is going to change everything. What I like the most compared to other video generation tools is that you can choose the movement you want each object in the scene to make. This is something that has a lot of potential, trust me. On the other hand, KLING AI has an option that I love. You can change your office in a matter of seconds. You simply upload a photo of yourself and another of the outfit or garment you want to try on. And boom, artificial intelligence works its magic and generates an image of you looking that desired outfit. What do you say? Do you think KLING can be the best artificial intelligence tool for generating videos? I'll read you in the comments. Finally, I'm asking you for a nice like and to follow me on the bell. It costs nothing and it helps me a lot. Until the next video.